Here's a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a truck with a work ethic to match your own, one that doesn't stop at good enough. Features include automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, trailer hitch receiver, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and V8 engine. New Car Test Drive finds that inside, the Sierra is one of the luxurious pickups, setting new standards for quietness, plush appointments, and solid construction. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Another reason to choose Bob Pulte Chevrolet.
What's the Pulte price? It's my promise to you that we'll not lose your business because of price. We'll do everything in our power to let nothing stand between you and the new car or truck you're looking for.